Okay, so you want to learn how to attract all the girls by using physics. Okay, so I like to call this electromagnetic masculinity. Okay, and this is exactly why women like guys who have a lot of money, who are very smart, who have very hard jobs, things of that nature, who have big personalities. This is why we're attracted to people who do it big. Okay, so this is you, a plus charge right here. Okay, if you have another plus charge over here, what happens is you repel each other. Okay, you start moving in opposite directions when two like charges meet each other in a space. So now you put a negative charge, an electron, for example. Now what happens here is you don't repel each other, you attract. All right? You attract each other, and then you stick apart. So this is you, this is her. Okay? Now, with electromagnetism, what happens is the force of attraction equals the charge times the electric field. Now the charge is what you hold right here. You have a charge and she has a charge. You could argue that your charge is what you own, as who you are as a person, what you know. Let's say how much money you have, how smart you are. Are you very smart or a little bit smart? Your status, things of that nature. Are you big, tall, strong? Okay, and the more you have of these, the more your charge increases. Okay, so say you have nothing and you start with no charge, 0. Now, if you have no charge, you're not attracting anything. If you ain't got shit, you're not attracting nothing. She is just gonna get attracted by another guy with a charge. They will attract each other because he has a 100 charge. Now, say you look at your charge and you're like, okay, I'm gonna add some muscles. Boom. And now you have a charge. And now she's attracted to your muscles. Okay. And you are also attracted to her because she has a charge. Now this is where things get interesting. Okay. Say you increase your charge and now you add education. You now have a degree. What happens is your charge becomes bigger. It increases. Let's make this bigger. Now what happens is your charge also becomes bigger. You become even more bigger. Okay. What happens now is she's even more attracted to you now that you have a bigger charge. Now she's even more attracted to you because the more your charge increases, right here, the bigger the force. Okay? And this does not go both ways, by the way. This does not go both ways. If you have a bigger charge than her, you are going to be less attracted than she is attracted to you. You could basically not move and she's gonna zip onto you and stick to you like glue. Now, this goes for everything in life because you don't just attract one thing. Okay? This is you, a man, your plus charge. You have a little charge right here. Now, everyone all around you with an opposite charge, they're all gonna be attracted to you. And the bigger your charge, the more they're attracted. So now if you say your charge, the electricity you hold, right, is things like, we already said this, so you got money, education, I don't know, personality, you learn how to be funny, nice, charismatic, right? I don't know, assets, you have assets like a house, car, popularity, even social media followers. The more you add these in your life, the more you learn, you know, even books, you read, you gain knowledge, right? You train, muscles, physical appearance, you take care of yourself, you know, beauty, hygiene. The more you add these, the bigger your charge increases. All right, it becomes bigger and bigger for every single thing that you add in your life, and everyone will be attracted to you. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.